Alright, so for a start, I have a basic bodice with an armhole dart. It becomes uneven like that usually when you close it, and you just, add it manually back like I did here. And basically I added the armhole dart because I didn't want it to be too open at the armhole. So for the curve, you can eyeball it, but first you mark out the center and just curve it as you desire. So after I cut the front bodice, I noticed a little curve there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim that off. So now for the other part of the curve, we'll turn the fabric opposite side and just trace it from the armhole. This is because I don't have enough fabric, so I'm going to trace it from the armhole and cut to where the armhole stops, so that I'll have the other side of the style in front, the two flappy thing in front. So this is what you're gonna have, this odd looking thing. So now if you place the front piece, you will see that it's coming together. So from that armhole, I'm going to cut another fabric from the armhole up to the shoulder point. I'm going to cut it on a lining piece since I didn't have enough fabric. So that's what I did here. So I'm going to just attach it to the shoulder point and to that back there. So I've gone ahead to stitch it down, and I'm going to flip it because I don't want the stitching to show at the back. I'm going to flip it like so, like I'm showing you now, and just stitch there. So this here we have it, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it and iron it. So this is what we have. The front neck is turned, and the back, this is what it looks like for now. So let's go ahead and complete the back piece. So for the back, I'm just going to attach this to turn the neck as well, back neck, and attach the zip. So I want a little gap at the neck of the zip. So I don't want it to close fully, and that was why I went with this method. So I'm just turning it backward, and you're gonna see what it looks like. And I'm gonna head to attach the zip as well. And now it's time for the armhole. So I'm gonna use this little piece of fabric to just turn the armhole and stitch it down. So I've stitched it a little bit, and we're gonna turn it now. And here is the completed look. So I'm going to style it and post it on my shirt. Bye.